There you go, our sausage rolls from Tortillas. Absolutely superb. Look at those. In here, the crunchy, perfectly cooked sausage meat. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, cheesy sausage rolls using tortillas. Unbelievably easy recipe. We're going to cook it in the air fryer, but you can bob it in the oven. It's exactly the same. Okay, in here I have some sausage, and all we've got to do is take the skins off. So just take the skins off the sausages and you have sausage meat. And obviously, if you have skinless sausages, there you go. And this can be done with vegetarian sausages. Now we've got a little bit of green onion, and we're going to chop that up nice and fine. Now you can go as fine as you like, it doesn't matter. Okay, in the sausage meat. Let's flavour this mix up. These are delicious sausages in the Worcester or Henderson's. We want a couple of teaspoons of English mustard. In there, a little bit of garlic powder and some black pepper. We're not using salt, but you can if you want. Okay, it's just to mix all that sausage meat and that mix together. And if it won't go in with a wooden spoon or a spoon, get your hands in. You want all that in there. Now, honestly, there is some superb flavour here. These are pork sausages, but you can use anything you like. It doesn't matter. Cumberland, beef sausages, whatever you have. And if you're making it vegetarian, you're using vegetarian. Okay, there's our sausage meat there. Now, it's a ridiculously simple recipe, this actually. Right, if you're using cooked tortillas, I've got 3 there, that'll do, you'll get the idea. You want to be trimming these because we're making sausage rolls. We don't want them completely round like that. We want a squared edge. Now you can leave one edge, but we need to square off an edge. Take that off there. These can be air fried, not a problem. Right, we've got these tortillas. We need to make them pliable. A little bit of water. Now this can go in the oven or it can go in the microwave. Damp tea towel. Microwave 20 to 30 seconds on high. Leave under your damp tea towel till you're ready to use them. Right, I've got these ones. These are uncooked. So we've got that going on there, and we want to be doing exactly the same. Just trimming off those edges like that. We're making a cheesy sausage roll. And you don't want to roll the sausage meat too thick. So we're going to go a little bit of cheese in there. Now, what you have to do is keep the cheese away from the end. Now, the sausage meat does not want to be too thick, but you want the sausage meat to overlap the cheese. When you buy sausage rolls, you always find the sausage meats popping out at the end, but we don't want to lose all the cheese, do we really? So it's a basic, come on, common sense. Let's have that turned over there like that. Also, what you have to do, because we're making sausage rolls, cut through the tortilla. Yeah, not deep cuts, just enough to get through to the sausage meat. Now I did have some water here, so I'll put a little bit of water on there, like that. And there you go. So, you know, if you wanted to do a smaller sausage roll, you can cut that like that. You can put a little bit of cheese in there like that. We're doing cheesy ones, as you know. We want that extra boost in here. And what you can do as well, you can take your sausage meat and you can put a little bit of mozzarella in the middle and just roll it up. Now if you don't want all that on there, you want to make it a bit more square on there. And again, a couple of little slits inside there, down to your sausage meat, or even down to the cheese. It doesn't matter, it depends how it's rolled over. There's a cooked one. There's some cheese. There's some sausage meat in there. And there's the roll. A little bit of water on there. And we have our fantastic sausage roll. A couple of those little slits in there. So do them all. Okay, so all we're going to do is brush those with melted butter. Or you could use oil, up to you. Give that a brushing over. And we're going to stick this in the air fryer at 190. And we're making sausage rolls on there. A sprinkling of sesame. Okay, and the air fryer basket. So come on, it's common sense in there. Leave some space around them if you can. Let's have that big one in there, look. So in we go. And these are those cooked tortillas actually in here, look. They're uncooked, they're cooked in the air fryer. Okay, on, and we're going to match it up because I put them in both. We want to go to 190 and we want to do about 12 minutes. Sync it up, hit start, let it do its thing. There you go. What we need to do is make a dip. So in here I have mayo. Now you can use honey. I'm using maple syrup. I want a little bit of maple syrup in there. I prefer the flavor more than honey. In there, teaspoon English mustard, little splash Worcester. Mix up and we've got a fabulous dip. There you go, a beautiful dip for our sausage rolls. Okay, we are nearly done, and I'm sure we've got some bubbling cheese coming out of there because I wasn't really careful to roll them all down. What you need to do is leave the cheese on the bottom and make sure the sausage meat is sort of at the top, but we're not bothered, are we? We're going to eat it. Right, what we need to be doing is checking this at this time, and if you've got a thermometer, you want to be checking it for about 74 degrees C or 165 F, and the sausage meat is cooked. Very handy, these. Smells like it's really well cooked. That'll probably be on the top one because it's smaller, isn't it? Right, come on. Oh, look at those. Right, in there. I would say that is cooked. There you go, that's cooked. They're not bubbling, but I bet those are. Right, out of there onto a rack. Oh, these are well done. Okay, small air fryer like that, you want to reduce the cooking temp on there or time. These are well done. Drop the temperature to 180 for about 10 to 12 and just check it. Let them cool and we're going to stick them on here with our dip and we're going to try them. There you go, our sausage rolls from Tortillas. Absolutely superb. Look at those. They look fantastic. In here, they're crunchy. In here, oh, it's red hot. In there, perfectly cooked sausage meat. Look at that. That is sensational. Our dip. Oh, we're in. That mustard dip is off the charts. It's delicious. Come on, back in here again. Come on. Oh, they are superb. And obviously it's got that cheese in there. These are the cooked tortillas. Oh, that's a bit hot. Look at that. In there. Ooh-wee. Hot one, this one. That's got bubbling cheese in there. Nice and steady in that dip. Just perfect. You know, nice crunchy outside. Nice cooked sausage meat inside. A lovely dip. So easy in the air fryer. Yes, it can be done in the oven. There you go. That's our sausage rolls from Tortillas. If you like what we're doing, share those with your friends. They ain't gonna last long. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.